How to fix Snapchat C14a service unavailable error. So if you open up your Snapchat and try to log into your account, and if it says that it's unavailable, then you should just wait for a few minutes, because the service might be down of Snapchat and you can't do anything about it. You just need to simply wait for a few minutes or a few hours, and after that again try to log into your account and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that you have a stable internet connection while logging into your account. After that, you can open up your Play Store, go with search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat. And on your Snapchat, now if you have any updates, then just go with update, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with your settings. On your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps, go with see all apps, and here you need to search for Snapchat. Scroll down and then go with the Snapchat application, tap on Snapchat, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. And after clearing your cache, you just need to simply go back and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.